Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. Quick update on this Weber barbecue. I got the Q1000 a little while ago, and last year I had it on the boat and I had problems with its regulator. Then when we got back to the RV park, I have low pressure port on the side of my trailer, so I modified this so that it just has a quick connect to a low pressure cable. Took off the regulator, so now that I'm back on the boat I need a way to attach to a propane tank because I don't have low pressure on the boat. So what I did this season is I got myself a hose, an 8-foot hose, and then you can see I made myself a quick connect for it. Just screwed it on. I bought the adapter kit on Amazon and the hose, and you can see it came with the adapters to thread in properly. And now I have a nice quick connect, so I can just quickly connect on the boat, this low pressure quick connect. Then when I go back to the RV, I have a hose and a quick connect on the RV. I'll just show you where the hose goes. I got an 8-foot hose because I wanted it to be able to reach up here. This is where I have a little propane tank here. So it has a regulator on this end, right at the tank, and then it goes down the 8-foot hose and it goes right into my barbecue. So that's worked out really good. I haven't had any issues like I was having with the regulator that came stock with this grill. I guess they're kind of flaky. Anyway, this is much easier for me because I can just quickly connect that on both my RV and my boat. So just thought I'd give you an update on that.